You're videoing us, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can I take a picture of our leader?
Yeah. This one actually pretty good now.
Take the kid.
Exterminate! Hello, Benjamin Franklin. I think you're at the wrong car. Dr.